are going to start next topic, that forfeiture of the share on the case of premium. Okay, I think well known about the premium. In that premium we are getting the extra amount. Okay, before then starting this premium, forfeiture of premium, one more thing is there. Only premium case will coming when premium amount is not received. Okay beta, premium amount is not received. Okay, as like that, if premium with the allotment, okay, and allotment is received, it means that case is simple case. It means that case is as like a at par case. Okay beta, that case is act like a at par case. Okay, clear? That case is as like a at par case, because if we are not received allotment on that place with the premium is there, then we are saying that is premium case. Okay beta, but we have received the allotment with the premium, so we are going to treat that question as like a easily, simply at par case. Okay, just see the entry on the case of at premium, forfeiture at premium. So share capital account debit, security premium account debit, to share forfeiture, to share first call, to share second call, and to share allowance. Okay beta, I think well known. In share capital we are written the called up money. In share capital we are written called up money. Okay, in this security premium we are going to enter premium money. Okay, then next in share forfeiture, money which we are receiving on this shares in first call, not received money, second call, unreceived money, and share allotment, not received money. This is the entry on the case of forfeiture of share in premium. Okay beta, forfeiture of share in premium. Now I am going to take one question, and by that question I am trying to make you all understand how to deal with the question of the premium. Okay, tell the question.
Accountancy published you can issue 50,000 equity share of rupees
50,000 equity share
of share of the rupees 10 each at minimum of 10% PAL as under.
Okay,
On the allocation 3 rupees.
3 rupees.
On allotment 4 rupees.
4 rupees, 3 plus 1.
Premium 1 rupees.
Okay,
On
then
the first call 2 rupees.
second call
On final call 2.
2. Okay, then multiply with the 50,000. 1,50,000. 1,50,000 and then premium 50,000. Okay, it means total is 2 lakh. Here 1 lakh and again 1. Okay, it's a simple case. We are going to multiply this all. Okay, then any area is there? Read the question outside.
The whole of the issue was formed by the company and all the money they have duly received except the allotment and call money on the 500 shares.
The allotment and call money on the 500 share. 500 share not paid. Allotment and first and second call. Namita? Okay? So 500 into 4. 500 into 4. What amount is coming? 2,000. 500 into 1,000. 500 into 1,000. Less this all amount. Then 1,98,000. 99,000. 99,000. Anything else? Next is?
This share where they are
Okay, wait. This is your profit. Before that, we are going to do the entries. Okay. Okay, just see how we do the entries. See here, first entry is beta bank account debit to share application with the 1,50,000, 1,50,000. Then share application account debit to share capital 1,50,000, 1,50,000. Then share allotment account debit to share capital to security premium. Just see, security premium 50,000. Okay, beta, and 1,50,000 total is 2 lakh rupees. Okay, then we are receiving the money. Then bank account debit to share allotment and calls in error debit. We are need to receiving 2 lakh 2,000 error. We are receiving only 1,98,000. Okay, beta, go for the first call. First call, then share first call. First call account debit to share capital 1 lakh, 1 lakh. Then bank account debit to share to call in error to share first call. Share first call 1 lakh, 1,000 error and 99,000 we are going to receive. Go for the second. Share second call account debit to share capital beta. Okay, 1 lakh and 1 lakh. Then bank account debit to share second call and calls in error debit. Again 1,000, 99,000 we are receiving, but we have to receive 1 lakh rupees. Okay, these are the main entries. All entries done now. Now we are going to do the forfeit on the sale. Okay, forfeit on the sale, and for the forfeit, it's all clear or not? Bank account debit, share application. Then share application account debit, share capital. Share allotment account debit to share capital to security premium. Then bank account debit, calls in error to share allotment. First call account debit to share capital, bank account debit, calls in error to share first call. Share second call account debit to share capital, then bank account debit, calls in error to share second call. Now we are going to do the entry for forfeit of the sales. Okay, beta? Up to this is clear now? Go for the next. Forfeit of the sale, then entry share capital security premium to share forfeiture to share allotment first call and second. Okay, clear? Two way. You are easily seeing here only and write that amount. That is also clear. Or you want to just multiply the things. We called full money. It means 10 rupees. So 500 into 10 rupees. But in premium, 500 into 1 rupees. Okay, beta? Clear? Then for feature, we are only getting this. It means 500 into 3 rupees we are getting. Okay? What receiving entered here, what not receiving? It's 500 into 4, 500 into 2, 500 into 2. That amount 5,000, 500, 1,500, 2,000, 1,000 and 1,000. Okay, beta? It's a for each of the debit shares. Okay? Again, reissue or not? See in the question.
Reissue at least 9 per share as fully paid.
Reissued, then entry, reissue entry beta, bank account, debit to share capital. The rate is 10 rupees, but we are issuing in 9 rupees beta. So that share for future debit 1 rupees. All share, all 500 share. Then
Share fully paid.
500, 500. It means it's a 500, 5,000, 45. After the reissuing, one more entry is there. That is share for future account debit to capital reserve. Here for future amount is 1500, 500 utilized. So only remain what amount beta? 1000. Is came? Came na beta? Clear? All of you clear? Okay, now I'm going for the second question. One more question. Okay. Okay. Read the instruction.
Yes, Limited is to offering 2 lakh share of rupees 10 each at the rupees 10 per share payable as follows. Application rupees 4 rupees on allotment fees including premium 4 on first call 3 on final call balance.
What are reading? Read it.
Sir, on application 4 rupees on allotment 6 including premium 4.
6. 2 plus 4. 4 rupees premium is there. Okay.
On first call 3
1 rupees is balance.
on final call balance.
Okay. So 2 lakh into 4. What amount is that? 2 lakh into 2. And into 4. Plus then. Here into 3. Into 2. It's a simple case. Okay? It's a simple case. Clear? Okay, next.
Delay the holder of 1,000 share did not pay the amount due on allotment. And first call his share were forfeited at 400.
Due and allotment and first call. Okay, beta? So just remove this amount. Okay, before that, it means he is not giving the money of this 6 rupees. It means 6,000 beta. 190. No. Only 6,000, na? 1 lakh. 11 lakh is there. 94. And here again 3 into 1. 3,000. 5 lakh 97. Okay? Anything else?
Sir, he is to credit rupees 4 pay for 8.40 per share.
Now we are going to start doing the entries and then going for the forfeit. Okay, start the first beta. Again, bank account debit to share application and amount is 8 lakh. 8 lakh. Then share application account debit to share capital. Again 8 lakhs and 8 lakh. Then share allotment account debit to share capital to security premium. Premium is 4 rupees. So 8 lakh, 4 lakh, total is beta 12 lakh. Okay? Now we are receiving the money. Then bank account debit, call in error account debit to share allotment. In this share allotment, 12 lakh, but we receive 1194, and problem with this 6,000. Okay, beta? Then go for the first one. Share first, call account debit to share capital 6 lakh, 6 lakh. Then bank account debit, calls in error debit to share first call. In bank 59,700, 3,000 error, 6,000 this. Up to this is clear? After this we are going to forfeit, because he is saying after the first call we are going to forfeit the share. Then after the first call is given, then increase beta share capital security premium to share forfeiture allotment first. Okay, we are asked the money 4 rupees, 2 rupees and 3 rupees, because 1 rupees we are not calling it now. So 4, 2, 6, 3, 9 rupees and 4 rupees premium. 4 rupees we are receiving and 6 rupees we are not receiving here, and 3 rupees we are not receiving. Into 1,000, into 1,000, into 1,000, into 1,000, into 1,000. That's it. 6,000 beta, 3,000, 4,000, 9,000, 4,000. Coming equal or not? Equal beta? 13 and 13. Clear? Go for the next. Reissue. Then bank account debit to share capital. Okay. In reissue, there's the reissue. That's it.
Credit between 9 paid for rupees 8.20.
400 share only paying beta. So 9 called up, 8. 1 rupees needed. That will be share forfeiture into only 400 beta. Only 400. We are forfeit 1,000 share, but reissued 400 only. Okay. Then multiply 400 we needed. Okay. Now last entry, share forfeiture account debit to share capital reserve. And how we are going to calculate? Here 1,000 we are forfeited, but in reissued only 4. So then we are going to calculate forfeiture amount for this 400, because for the 1,000 our forfeiture amount is 4,000. Okay beta? 4,000 na? So for the 400 into 4,000 upon 1,000, 1,600. And use this 400, then remaining amount is, it's same.